The fundamentals of a normal ECG. Definition. An electrocardiogram, ECG, is a graphical representation of the electrical activity of the heart. Purpose. Diagnose heart conditions. Monitor heart health. Evaluate heart rhythm and electrical activity. Components of a normal ECG. P wave, atrial depolarization, contraction. The P wave is a small deflection on an electrocardiogram, ECG, that represents the electrical depolarization of the heart's atria. QRS complex, ventricular depolarization, contraction. The QRS complex represents the depolarization of the ventricles in the heart, indicating the beginning of ventricular contraction. T wave, relaxation. The T wave represents the repolarization of the ventricles in the heart. PR interval. Time from the onset of atrial depolarization to the onset of ventricular depolarization. ST segment. Time between ventricular depolarization and repolarization. QT interval. Duration of ventricular depolarization and repolarization. ECG waveform with labels. P wave, small, upward deflection indicating atrial depolarization. QRS complex, larger, sharp deflection indicating ventricular depolarization. T wave, slightly rounded wave showing ventricular repolarization. Heart rate and rhythm. Normal heart rate, 60 to 100 beats per minute, BPM, at rest. Regular rhythm in normal sinus rhythm. Sinus rhythm, rhythm originating from the sinoatrial, SA, node. Regular spacing between heartbeats. Electrical conduction pathway. Sinoatrial, SA, node, the heart's natural pacemaker initiates electrical impulses. Atria, impulse travels to both atria causing them to contract. Atrioventricular, AV, node, delays impulse to allow for atrial contraction. Bundle of His. Carries the electrical impulse toward the ventricles. Purkinje fibers distribute the impulse to the ventricles, causing them to contract. Measuring intervals. PR interval, 120 to 200 milliseconds, time for the electrical impulse to travel from the atria to the ventricles. A normal PR interval measures 0.1 to 0.20 seconds, which is 3 to 5 small boxes on the EKG strip. When you measure a PR interval, you start measuring at the beginning of the P wave until the beginning of the QRS complex. Here are some simple steps on how to measure the PR interval. Find the P wave on the EKG strip. Second, determine where the PR interval is, and to do this you start measuring at the beginning of the P wave until the beginning of the QRS complex. Third, count the small boxes between their measurements. Fourth, remember each box represents 0.04 seconds. So, if you measure 2 boxes, the measurement of the PR interval would be 0.08 seconds. QRS duration, less than 120 milliseconds, duration of ventricular depolarization. A normal QRS complex measures 0.06 to 0.12 seconds, which is 1.5 to 3 small boxes on the EKG strip. When you measure the QRS complex, you start by measuring at the end of the PR interval to the end of S wave. Some simple steps on how to measure the QRS complex. Find the QRS on the EKG strip. Second, determine where the QRS complex is, and to do this you start measuring the end of the PR interval to the end of S wave. Third, count the small boxes between their measurements. Fourth, remember each box represents 0.04 seconds. So, if you measure 2 boxes, the measurement of the QRS complex would be 0.08. QT interval varies with heart rate, should be corrected for heart rate. Normal is around 350 to 450 milliseconds. It is measured from the beginning of the QRS complex to the end of the T wave. Normally, the QT interval is 0.36 to 0.45 seconds. Key features of a normal ECG. Regular rhythm, beats evenly spaced. Normal heart rate, 60 to 100 BPM. P wave before each QRS complex. Consistent QRS duration, less than 120 milliseconds. T wave following each QRS complex. No abnormal deflections like ST segment elevation or depression. How to interpret a normal ECG? Heart rate, count the RR intervals, distance between our waves, and calculate beats per minute. Rhythm, check for regularity of the rhythm. P waves, ensure there is one P wave before each QRS complex. PR interval, measure PR interval and ensure it's 120 to 200 milliseconds. QRS complex, ensure narrow, less than 120 milliseconds, and consistent QRS complexes. ST segment and T waves, look for abnormalities like elevation or depression, which may indicate ischemia or other issues. A normal ECG shows a regular rhythm, appropriate heart rate, and well-defined waves and intervals. The P wave should always precede the QRS complex. The QRS duration should be narrow, and the QT interval should be appropriately corrected for heart rate.